A very good morning, students. So this is our first chapter which I am going to start. That is our first chapter, the last lesson. It is very contradictory that the chapter is first but its name is the last lesson, and it's written by Alphonse Daudet. Alphonse Daudet is a French novelist as well as a short story writer. So basically, this story is based in the time of Second World War, when the whole world was in a kind of war. At that time, Persian and French, they were also in between the war. The story was set up in the same time. The story deals with two themes. One is linguistic identity. Linguistic identity. Every culture, every group or set of people have different kind of linguistic identities. Means we recognize people, we recognize a same group of people. हम ये सोचते हैं कि जो हमारे जैसी लैंग्वेज बोलता है दैट द पर्सन इज लाइक अस, ठीक है ना। हम जितने भी हिंदी भाषी लोग हैं, या आप सोचते हो कि जितने भी पंजाबी यू फील दैट यू आर समवेयर रिलेटेड टू देम। ओके, सो दिस चैप्टर फर्स्टली डील्स विद द लिंग्विस्टिक आइडेंटिटी, दैट हाउ पीपल फील relaxed with the people, those who speak the same language. The second theme is impact of war on the life of common people. Mean war has a broad impact on every aspect of life. War का हर चीज़ पे impact होता है, but the most आई कैन से इस पर सबसे ज़्यादा असर होता है दैट इज़ द लाइफ ऑफ कॉमन पीपल, जिसको मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम डिस्करेज कर दिया जाता है, दैट नो बडी स्टडीज दैट पीपल कंसीडर और स्टडी द इम्पैक्ट्स ऑफ वॉर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द इकोनॉमी ऑफ अ कंट्री एंड सो मैनी थिंग्स, बट देयर इज वेरी लेस स्टडी दैट डिफाइंस द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ वॉर on the life of common people. Okay, in this chapter our narrator is Franz. Franz is a small boy. Like he is like Alphonse Daudet, he is narrating his story, his own story. And French teacher M. Hamel. Okay, and he has been teaching French in the schools of Alsace for since 40 years. Okay, so let's move towards the story. In this story, small boy Franz is there, and he was going to school and he forgot to learn his lesson of participle. He has been given a homework and he forgot to do that. So he was quite unwilling to go to school. वो अपने स्कूल नहीं जाना चाहता था because क्योंकि उसने अपना होमवर्क नहीं किया था. So the outside activities were quite fascinating for him, like birds are chirping and Persian warriors, or you can say soldiers, they were drilling. वो अपनी मार्च पास कर रहे हैं, they are practicing. So that was more fascinating for him. Okay, so he was reluctant and unwilling to go to school, but somehow he gathered himself, he gathered the courage and he went to school. But when he reached school, what he saw that there is a large crowd and which was like बहुत सारे लोग खड़े हो गए हैं जो कि बुलेटिन बोर्ड को देख रहे हैं. Now this time Franz was quite astonished, बहुत amazed हो जाता है. Why he was amazed? Because all the bad news which come to France, they all come through that bulletin board. यानी कि जितनी भी bad news आती थी वो bulletin board के थ्रू आती थी. Now he was just wondering that what bad news has came this time. उसको लग रहा था कि अब कौन सी बुरी खबर आई है. So the news was that because Persians war against France, so the new order from Berlin which has came is that from now onwards only German will be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. यानी कि Alsace and Lorraine जो कि फ्रांस की स्टेट्स हैं, वहाँ पे अब क्या पढ़ाया जाएगा? सिर्फ और सिर्फ जर्मन पढ़ाई जाएगी and no French teaching will be there. So Franz was quite surprised to see that. Okay, but somehow he was getting late for the class, so he went towards the class and जब वो वहाँ पे जाता है, so most of the time he liked the commotion, but this day it was quite different. Usual days में क्या होता था? There was a large hustle bustle on the school. जब हम देखते हैं कि जब भी हम असेंबली के टाइम में स्कूल आते हैं या मॉर्निंग टाइम में आते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड होता है, लोग आ रहे होते हैं, जा रहे होते हैं, काफ़ी सारा नॉइज़ होता है. मीन्स इट्स क्वाइट नॉइजी, बट दिस टाइम देयर इज नो नॉइज एट ऑल. इट वॉज क्वाइट साइलेंस. ओके, so he was again surprised at what is going on, and he thought that now definitely I am going to be scolded by the M. Hamel. Means my teacher is going to scold me or beat me because he is very strict. So till now Mr. M. Hamel, he is quite a strict teacher. So somehow he managed to enter the class. So when he went to in front of the class, Mr. Hamel said that just come inside fast because we are going to start without you. So he didn't scold him, वो उन्हें बिल्कुल भी नहीं डांटते. तो अगेन सरप्राइज हो जाता है कि ऐसा क्या हुआ है और क्यों इन्होंने मुझे नहीं डांटा, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज थिंग, क्योंकि ही इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर. As he entered the class, what he saw that there are people, means elderly people of village, they were sitting at the back benches. वो देखता है कि क्लासेस में तो जनरली बच्चे बैठते हैं, बट आज क्या है कि जो विलेज के हमारे बड़े लोग हैं, यानी कि जैसे टिकट कलेक्टर है, पोस्टमैन है, they are sitting at the back benches of the school. So वो बहुत, he was quite astonished, he was quite shocked to see that कि why these people are sitting at the back benches. So but somehow he sat there and Mr. Hamel started his lesson. So when M. Hamel asked a question to Franz, he was quite doubtful about his answer, but he replied to it. But Mr. Hamel continued with his lesson. Okay. So when he got the wrong answer from Franz, he said that we call us Frenchmen, we call us French people, but we don't know French language. वो कहते हैं it's quite shameful कि हम अगर सोचो फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि हम खुद को हिंदुस्तानी कहते हैं, वी आर इंडियंस, बट वी डोंट नो हिंदी लैंग्वेज. ठीक है, सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ शेमफुल एक्ट फॉर अस. वी मस्ट नो हिंदी. इंग्लिश इज़ अ सेकेंडरी लैंग्वेज फॉर अस. इंग्लिश इज़ अ इंटरनेशनल और यू कैन से प्रोफेशनल लैंग्वेज फॉर अस, बट टू नो हिंदी इज़ अ कंपल्शन फॉर अस बिकॉज इट्स आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज. सो दिस इज़ अ थिंग विद द फ्रेंच पीपल ऑल्सो. दे कॉल देमसेल्फ फ्रेंच, okay, but they don't know the French language, so it's very shameful for them. So he said that, but now they need not to learn French because this order has been came from Berlin that from now onwards only German will be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. So this is the biggest change, and that sound of M. Hamel strike Franz like a thunderclap. उसे ऐसा लगा कि जैसे किसी ने मेरे ऊपर बिजली गिरा दी हो. और उस दिन, that was the last day of French language. बट एट दैट डे ही अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग. उसे अब तक कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया था, लेकिन उस दिन उसे सब कुछ समझ में आया था. एंड ही केम टू नो दैट इट वॉज नॉट द फॉल्ट ऑफ टीचर, बट इट्स द फॉल्ट ऑफ हिम दैट ही डिडंट टेक हिज फ्रेंच लेसन सीरियसली. ओके, देन ही वंडर्ड दैट वेदर जर्मन पीपल टॉट द पिजन्स जर्मन ऑल्सो. वो कहता है कि जो फ्रांस में हमारे जो पिजन्स हैं, ही सटैरिकली मेकिंग एन आर्ग्यूमेंट विद हिम कि दो दे एबल टू टॉट पिजन्स दैट लैंग्वेज ऑफ जर्मन. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टोरी. आई गेव यू अ शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ इट. नाउ इट्स योर टर्न टू गेट अ फुल फ्लेज रीडिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर. मस्ट दैट यू बाय योर बुक्स, Vistas and Flamingo, buy both the books and go through the reading each and every word, and at least 10 words you should write in your notebook and ask me the word meanings. And first of all find out yourself, and if you don't find then ask me. Okay, so this is the thing. Next time we will go for the question answers of this chapter. If you want me to explain any certain passage or paragraph of this chapter, you can ask me. Okay, you can give me a voice message. Thank you.